YouTube, ¿qué pasa? This is BX, and what you're looking here is my new computer that I finally put together. Couple years I had my computer messed up and I haven't fixed it, and Christmas went by and I bought some pieces and I bought the new case for it. I bought the new motherboard. That's the same video card I had before and the same power supply. But my old hard drive crashed, and then my motherboard went, the CPU went, everything was messed up. So I had to start from scratch, but you know, I did it, and pretty soon videos are coming up. So alright y'all, later.